Hey everyone! Today, we're whipping up something that's not just delicious but also packed with nutrients, a tofu and mixed vegetable rice bowl. Let's kick things off by chopping up some fresh green chilies. These little guys are the life of the party. They bring that zing that makes your taste buds dance. Next up, grab half an onion. We're going to dice it into medium-sized pieces. Onions add that sweet and savory flavor we all love. Just watch out for those teary eyes. It's a small price to pay for deliciousness. Once you're done, set the diced onions aside. Now, take one tomato, cut it in half, and dice it into small pieces. Tomatoes add that juicy freshness. And remember, the redder the tomato, the better the flavor. It's like nature's way of saying, "Eat me." Time for some greens. We'll cut a couple of small broccoli florets. Broccoli is like tiny trees, and who doesn't want a little forest in their bowl? Just me? Okay. Let's preheat our deep pan and add some oil. Give it about a minute to heat up. Now, grab some tofu and cut 2 thin slices. Then, dice them up as per your eating preference. Let's check our pan. It's hot enough now, so toss in those chopped green chilies. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness on the way. While the chilies are getting cozy in the pan, let's chop some Chinese cabbage. It's crisp, it's fresh, and it adds a nice crunch to our dish. Time to add our diced onions to the pan. The aroma is already making my neighbors jealous. Next, we'll add half a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic. These two are like the dynamic duo of flavor, they make everything better. Use a wooden spoon to sauté everything for about 30 seconds on high heat. Keep it moving so nothing sticks. It's like a mini workout before the meal. Now, let's add the broccoli florets to the pan. Next, place the chopped half tomato on top. Throw in the chopped Chinese cabbage and give it a good sauté for another 30 seconds. The colors are amazing, it's like a rainbow in a pan. Time to add 1.5 tablespoons of malt vinegar. If you prefer white vinegar, go ahead and use that. It's your kitchen, your rules. Next up is 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir it in and let it cook for about 15 seconds. The sauce is getting rich and aromatic. Now, we'll add half a teaspoon of red chili powder to give our dish an extra kick. Then, sprinkle in some pepper and salt to taste. Seasoning is key, so feel free to adjust to your preference. Give everything a good stir to blend the spices. Now, add a nice squeeze of ketchup. Yes, ketchup. It adds a tangy sweetness that's irresistible. Who knew ketchup was the secret ingredient? For that extra creamy texture, we'll add about 2 teaspoons of thick cream. This will make our sauce thick and oh so yummy. Finally, it's time to add our diced tofu to the pan. Mix everything well and let it cook together for about 30 seconds. Look at that, it's a masterpiece in the making. Okay, we're almost there. Don't forget about our boiled rice. Transfer it into a clean plate, making sure it's nice and fluffy. Now, spoon the tofu and mixed vegetables over the rice. Doesn't that look incredible? And the best part is, you made it yourself. How can we forget the garnish? Sprinkle some chopped coriander on top for that extra kick of freshness. It's the little things that make a big difference. And there you have it, our tofu and mixed vegetable rice bowl is all set to be devoured. Just look at those colors and imagine the flavors. I can't wait to dig in. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Thanks for cooking with me today, and see you next time.